Alright, so check it out. We got beef curry. I already have like my favorites. I'll indicate them as like a pork curry, chicken curry. And then
This is a Sean chicken curry.
beef traditional.
Ooh.
This Sean pork pickle. I like the word Sean, so we should do that. And then here are some salads. So potato salad, tomato salad, eggplant salad, tea leaf salad. So we definitely have to do that.
We should learn how to do
that would be awesome.
Okay, so right now we are entering the market. What is the name of the market, Titi?
Mingalar Market.
Mingalar Market. Today it's market day. It's our first time in the market. Titi, who lives in Nyaungshwe, runs a cooking class called Mercury Cooking Class. And the first part of the class is you get to choose your ingredients. Fresh green onions. And look at her colorful bag. This is sporting her beautiful dress. Ooh. We have a small ginger that has more flavor than this big ginger. One is for the curry and one is for the salad. All the chili in the world. Ooh, turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric.
And brown sugar. Look at that brown sugar, man.
From the tree. Our seaweed isn't coming seeds from the tree.
Freeweed.
Whoa. So this is our beef. Fresh.
Thomas and Yoda.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. Got the scale. Hi, pretty girl. This is a traditional sweet made of brown sugar and rice. Arrived to Mercury Cooking Class. It's also a restaurant, everybody.
Oh yeah, washing the beef.
Wash that le bouf. Ooh.
Paprika.
Paprika.
Yeah. A little bit chili. And turmeric. Isn't it so good?
This girl.
I've got pumpkin power, baby.
Ooh, the things are hot, right?
Yeah, curry dance, curry dance. Good.
Look at Ryan is so proud of his curry.
Got my curry.
Got his curry.
Oh,
Bella's
God.
feeling very domestic right now.
God. Oh, wow.
TT has our special rice. Oh, we have beautiful starters of pumpkin soup. We have a sour fish base that goes with these coral-like rice patties that are fried. We have tomato salad. We have seaweed salad. I have my rice now. Tea leaf salad and a beef curry, a chicken curry, and a pork. Thank you so much to Titi and Nanya, her sister, for helping us create this beautiful meal we have today.